Sustainability. It's at the heart of everything MEPCO does. With a firm focus on environmental protection, economic development, and supporting Saudi Vision 2030, MEPCO is helping to create a more sustainable future, driving long-term growth.
If you would like to create a successful, a continuous business, you have always to consider the sustainability as part of your work practices. Identifying the challenges that we are seeing in the future, creating a platform, you need to be proactive.
90% of MEPCO's raw material comes from recycled sources, supplied by WASCO, a wholly owned subsidiary. With 26 recycling centres across the Middle East, WASCO collects domestic and commercial refuse and uses the latest processes to recycle waste. WASCO supports MEPCO's expanding operations, whilst diverting waste from landfill, reducing the carbon footprint of industry and protecting valuable ecosystems. MEPCO also recycles the water it uses and generates its own electricity on site, significantly reducing utility costs and ensuring a consistent supply. MEPCO's sustainability agenda is supported by extensive education and awareness programs. To date, the business has provided over 8,000 hours of training in sustainability, operations and safety. And strategic partnerships help to build thriving, environmentally conscious communities. Through institutes like HIPIT, local talent is developed, giving them the skills to become the industry leaders of the future, increasing Saudi presence in the workplace.
We are given a 2-year diploma to educate the Saudis, which as a result helped the company to increase their Saudization levels up to close to 50%, against the required benchmark 20%. Through the past 6 years, the company have managed to give training courses to almost 6,000 students.
As a leading sustainable business, MEPCO is aligned with the social, environmental and economic goals of Saudi Vision 2030.
Part of the Saudi Vision actually is creating value from the environmental. And that's major part of what MEPCO is doing. MEPCO is reclaiming an average of 500,000 tons of waste paper that's supposed to go to the landfill, creating value out of it. We are in line with the vision into enhancing the local employees to create work opportunities. We are contributing in the Saudi economy by exporting an average of 250 million riyal worth of goods. I think the view of Saudi Arabia is seriously changing from what we used to know about Saudi Arabia or what's going to be Saudi Arabia in 2020 or 2030.
MEPCO is setting new standards for sustainability, demonstrating that growth, efficiency and environmental awareness go hand in hand, and playing its part in building Saudi Arabia's future.